front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to choose this section called System. Then click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Gboard. Last but not least, select Corrections and Suggestions to scroll and use gray switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's blue, you can go back to check out your Gboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Now, thanks to it, you can tap on gear icon and access the same settings in a matter of seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!